So this is our web page and we have made our project as Gardenia. The logo page redirects to the index.html page.
This is the garden guide module. Here we ask the location from the user. For dummy purpose, we have 6 to 7 cities here. For now, I choose Mumbai here. Now we can see different types of soil as in India. We have 8 types of soil as mentioned here. Each and every soil has content for identification. For now, I choose alluvial soil. Here it shows I have opted for Mumbai and alluvial. We can also change options as now as seen there is a list of suggested plants. Now you can see as there is a list of suggested plants according to a temperature and humidity and their type of soil selections. Now I will enter 5 and 5 in the form given. Now I press the view result. I have also given the buttons that redirect to the shopping website and to our video tutorials. And here is the list of the 5 results which came after running the query.
So now I will move on to the Find Gardeners page. So for Find Gardeners page, we have made it compulsory for the user to log in or sign up into our system first. So I'll sign up into the system by my basic information like name and phone number. So it has basic validations like if I enter my phone number of less than 10-digit number, that gives me an alert message, or also it gives me a message that what all conditions I must follow for my password. So I'll just enter the appropriate things with an appropriate email so that it doesn't come as an alert. And now I'll enter the appropriate password for that. So I'll enter hello at the rate of 123 with H as capital so that it fulfills all the validation parts, and I'll register myself. It says registered successfully. Now I'll go to the login page and just enter what all my credentials were. Also, here I have given links for sign up and forgot password. So consider you don't remember your password. We'll jump onto the forgot password link and ask us to enter the registered email address. And then it asks us to the OTP that we'll get on the email address. This part is yet not integrated, but it can be integrated once we go on as an official website. So it asks me for resetting my password. I can reset my password here, and if by chance I don't give the same password, it will give me that password does not match. So I'll just have to change the password again and then I can log in here. I'll enter the correct password here. Now, once logged into the system, I can see an icon here which is for the logout part. So I'll move on for the Find Gardeners part. It gives me a small form so that I can appoint a gardener for my garden. I can have an issue so that the gardener can bring appropriate tools to handle that. So I'll give I have an issue with my carrot plants for just a purpose, and some date and some time I'll submit the form, and then I can see a list of gardeners that can give me assistance. So there are number of gardeners with their mobile numbers, kit, experience and qualifications, also along with their prices. Now I just have to press appoint now button and I'll be redirected to the transaction page. So transaction gives us two options of credit or debit card or cash and delivery. So if I go on credit or debit card, I can enter the card number, sorry. So I enter my card number. So here in this page, we have used view.js, card holder's name, month, and year, CVV, and then I'll submit it and it says that payment gateway is not yet integrated. I can also do cash on delivery. So I'll just log in into the system again and then move on to the Find Gardeners part. Do it fast and quick, and then I can just go on a point now page, cash on delivery, and it says thanks for booking, your order will be shipped soon. So this was all about Find Gardener's page.
So now we have a buy green option. It is just like a small shopping website for Gardenia, and it delivers all the products related to gardening. And we also have features here to add our products to our cart, to modify them, and also to remove them as per our requirements. We can also search our products by the name, and so on. A dynamically bill is generated according to the product selected. From here on, we can move to our cart and order the items we require to make our garden. And we also have, as mentioned before, our options of credit and debit card as well as cash on delivery, which works the same. Now, coming back to our homepage using our logo icon, we have a About Us section and as well as our Contact Us page. Our About Us page redirects to our GitHub repository and also the YouTube video, which we have added for our project. Now, clicking onto the logo icon, we get back to our Contact Us page where you can reach out to us by mentioning your name. We have a dummy name over here, an email, and the message you want to send to us. We will get back to you as soon as possible for your requirements and needs, if any. Now, see, you have our thank you for contacting option. The last thing we have is our video tutorials, as well as you can use the login option here to log in again and find your gardeners as well. Now, coming back to the last option, the video tutorials. Here, for newbies as well as for experienced personnel, we have the video tutorials for different kinds of plants you wish to plant in your garden. It serves as a one-stop solution for all your gardening queries. There are also appropriate taglines mentioned for each and every video, so it will be easy for you to choose the one you wish for. Now we come back to our main page again using our logo icon. Now coming forward below, we also have customer reviews which have been provided by our valuable customers. You can just go through them. They are just dummy reviews, but in future when we go as a full-fledged website, we'll have those as our original reviews of the customers. That's all for our project. It's made by our team Phoenix, which comprises of 3 members, Shaurya Gupta, Ritik Vashisht, and myself, Kshitij Dwivedi. Thank you.
Thank you.